Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term paradox. Introduction. Paradox is a fascinating literary device that challenges our understanding of language and logic. It involves presenting a statement that appears contradictory or absurd at first glance but can be interpreted in a way that makes sense. Throughout the history of literature, poets have skillfully employed paradoxes to convey complex ideas, explore philosophical concepts, and create moments of verbal wit. This video delves into the use of paradox in poetry, particularly its significance in 17th century metaphysical poetry, its connection to oxymorons, and its expanded application in modern literary criticism. Paradox in poetry and metaphysical poetry. The metaphysical poets of the 17th century were known for their innovative use of paradox in both religious and secular contexts. John Donne, a prominent metaphysical poet, utilized paradoxes in his sonnets and poems to explore profound themes of life, death, and spirituality. An example from Donne's sonnet, "Death Be Not Proud," demonstrates how paradoxical statements can offer deeper insights into the human experience. Oxymorons, contraries in conjunction. An oxymoron is a specific type of paradox that brings together two contradictory terms. This literary device was commonly employed in Elizabethan love poetry, often known as Petrarchan conceits, to describe the complexities of romantic emotions. Alfred Lord Tennyson's line, "O death in life, the days that are no more," exemplifies the use of oxymorons to express conflicting feelings and experiences. Paradox in religious poetry and devotional prose. Paradoxes play a crucial role in religious poetry and devotional writings, especially in expressing profound mysteries and divine concepts. John Milton's description of God's appearance in Paradise Lost illustrates how paradoxical language can evoke the ineffable and transcendental nature of the divine. New critics and the expanding notion of paradox. New critics, a group of literary critics in the mid-20th century, expanded the notion of paradox beyond figurative language to encompass all surprising deviations from common perceptions. Clent Brooks argued that poetry's language is inherently paradoxical, opening up multiple interpretations and layers of meaning. Paradox and deconstruction. Deconstruction, a literary theory developed by Jacques Derrida, also emphasizes the role of paradox in language and interpretation. According to deconstruction, all uses of language inherently disseminate into unresolved paradoxes known as aporias. Conclusion. Paradox in poetry is a powerful tool that enriches the poetic experience by challenging readers' assumptions and inviting deeper contemplation. From its roots in metaphysical poetry to its expanded application in modern literary criticism, paradox continues to be a captivating and thought-provoking element in the world of literature. Through their mastery of paradoxical expressions, poets have succeeded in capturing the complexities of human emotions, the mysteries of existence, and the enigmatic nature of language itself. So this was the discussion on the term paradox. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.